see that, guys. Wow. So beautiful.
Hi guys, I hope every one of you are doing absolutely fine. This is Utkarsh and you are watching The Weekend Rider. Today is another weekend and I have some plans to go out again, and this time it's not an off-road, it is a normal tour to a place, and that place is near Hassan. I am also joined with my friend, so it is going to be even more fun, so just stay tuned.
So I'm almost ready to head out, and I'm already half an hour late, so I have to make it real quick. Chalo guys, let's go. He just got his bike serviced now. Everything is just fine, so we are good to start the ride. Let's hit the highways now. I don't want to be in city anymore because COVID notifications I'm getting within 1 kilometer, 5 new, 7 cases. Nice road we will take this time. Such a cute doggo. I didn't expect that much of traffic here, dude. Like, literally, there is a lot of traffic. People are not following social distancing at all. That is very vivid. So, they will charge some 40 rupees here to take the whole route. Tell him Neelamangala. हाँ, साथ में पैसा एक साथ दे रहे तो पीछे रहना पड़ेगा नंबर के लिए. 96 बोल रहा है, 16 रुपये आप देना. ओके. So 96 he's asking. Cool. 96. Awesome. पैसे पूरे ही ले लेगा ये हमारे. पैसे एक रुपये छोड़ेगा नहीं. और दूसरा पता है आपको क्या इसमें झोल क्या है? क्यूआर कोड दिखाना पड़ेगा. क्यूआर कोड स्कैन करते हैं ना. हाँ हाँ. साला कुछ अंदर दिखाता नहीं है. ओह, ये पैसे कहाँ जाते हैं पता नहीं मेरे को अभी. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's go to Neelamangala now. That is the road we have to connect to. Okay. आ गए वापस से शहर के दूसरे एंड पे. Oh God, another 2-3 kilometers of traffic. So I don't even take out my bike in cities. Okay guys, so we completed our nice road wala stretch and now we are at the Hassan highway. Yeah. So it's around 10 o'clock. We are here at Neelamangala and Hassan is around 160 kilometers from here. So with me Mayur is there, and I don't see people taking care of themselves in this COVID situation. Everyone is on road, so really can't do much. We have to be very careful about ourselves. Let's go, let's get going.
You also wear the mask, please.
Yeah, I will also wear the mask.
Yeah.
Then पहनूंगा, अभी पहनूंगा.
Hi guys, so we have reached near a place called Neligire, and from here the temple is 60 kilometers far. It's kind of far because we thought it will be not more than 180 kilometers, but it is somehow 210 kilometers because we took the ring road to come to Nilamangala, and from there the actual distance starts. So it's almost 60 kilometers more. We have done 140 kilometers, 145 kilometers now. So 210 kilometers, it's kind of far only. It's kind of a long ride in a lockdown. Actually, we were talking about the lockdown and the COVID cases. So Mayur works in a bank and there are a lot of cases coming around his office, and also he was quite worried. So Arogya Setu में क्या दिखा रहा है अभी?
अभी तो 7 लोग हाई रिस्क दिखा रहे हैं जो मेरे प्रॉक्सिमिटी में आए होंगे पिछले 30 डेज़ के अंदर, और एक दिखा रहा है पॉजिटिव। वो पता नहीं, मैं पिछले आई थिंक 10-12 दिन पहले मिला था, मुझे मिला इन द सेंस मैं सिग्नल पे खड़ा होगा।
Actually what happened, he told me like today when I met him at the Vega City Mall, he is checking his Arogya Setu, और वहाँ पे बोला मुझे कि one risk, I met someone who is at risk or who is positive for COVID. So I was like damn scared, like what is going to happen. And then he told me that might be possible the customer who came to the bank or maybe somewhere on the 3rd floor or the 1st floor contracted COVID later on, which was kind of in proximity of his. So that is one issue and I'm kind of scared. He is wearing mask all the time. और ये तो मैंने खुद से ही मतलब डाल दी है जो ये स्टिकर से बी पॉजिटिव TVS रेस ओ पॉजिटिव। वाओ, यही होता है पता है। इसका जो ये है ना ग्रिप, ये टूट गया तो मुझे ये 3M यूज़ करना पड़ा, and that doesn't work well. So that is what I was saying, we should buy something else but not this P6. So that is the thing. Okay guys, so we are ready, we will be leaving now. Enough of break. I think we did take more than 10 minutes of break, so we'll get going and we'll see you somewhere near the temple now. 60 kilometers more to go. Let's start. So we are at a tri-junction. I think we have to take left. Let's see how far it is yet, man. We have done 187 so far. Mavanuru Maleshwara temple. But we will go with the left one because I think that is the better one. Cool guys, we will take left. We will take the country roads now because highway was too much now. I felt like I'm getting bored on highway. So welcome to the Municipal Council of Channarayanapatna. 20 kilometers to go. Let's go. So guys, you can see, I can see the windmills from here. We have almost reached. It's almost like 15 kilometers from here. That's all. Let the truck pass. These country roads are little daunting. Not that smooth. Oh, this one is good. I can see a lot of veggies and saplings and things. Awesome. Full village यार, पूरा गांव है ये, और वहाँ पे windmills. I don't know ये रास्ता सही है कि नहीं. I have little idea. ये है टेम्पल, वहाँ पर है, एंड विंडमिल्स हैं. कभी चल रहे हैं कभी बंद हो रहे हैं बिकॉज द विंड इज़ नॉट दैट मच. सो व्हेन इट इज़ विंडी इट विल स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग. अभी विंडी तो नहीं है. इट वॉज मूविंग बाय द वे. सो लेट्स गो अप देयर टू द टेम्पल एंड सी द व्यू हाउ इट इज़.
पंखा भैया घूम जाओ यार, इतने दूर से आए, घूमो जल्दी ना. एक तो लॉकडाउन में आए इतना खतरा लेकर. यू गाइस शुड रोटेट मैन. वाओ. Wow. How massive is this, dude? Oh, so many of them. वाह. बहुत ऊपर आ गए हैं. ब्यूटीफुल. Plastics and plastics and plastics. Lot of plastics. I hate this.
So this is Mavanuru Malleshwara temple. Awesome. See those windmills? बहुत सही है. बढ़िया है ना. मज़ा आ गया यार. मुझे ना एक चीज़ सबसे बढ़िया लगता है, यहाँ पे लाइन से लगे हुए हैं, और वो सबसे बेहतर चीज़ है. मतलब यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ बिग इज दिस. आई मीन ब्रो, लाइक वन ऑफ द ब्लेड इज लाइक इक्विवेलेंट टू दिस मंदिर ऑन वन ब्लेड. उससे भी बड़ा है एक्चुअली वो.
सोच रहा हूँ ये उड़ते उड़ते कैसे फुल स्पीड में आया.
इफ यू गो देयर यू आर गॉन. लाइक कहाँ जाओगे.
धीरे चल रहा है पर नजीक जाओगे ना.
हाँ, it's like catapult only. Like if I put on one of the blades, it will throw you so far that you won't even see where you fell.
अभी लग रहा है बहुत धीरे चल रहा है पर
हाँ.
बहुत स्पीड में जा रहा है.
Hello guys, so you know what, we are having the food which we got from our homes. So what I'm eating today is this roasted oats and sprouts. I got some sprouts. I planned this all yesterday when I talked to Mayur and he was like, let's go on a ride. And Mayur has got us some delicious snacks. But yeah, we are not eating anywhere else. We just got our food, we'll eat our food, drink water, maybe buy India water from somewhere down the city. That's all. So we just came here and we're relaxing. After half an hour or something, we will take some time lapse. I'll show you the place and then we'll head back to Bangalore.
यार क्या बताओ, ये प्लेस बहुत औसम है, बहुत बढ़िया है. चारों तरफ विंड मिल है. और पूरा ओपन स्पेस है, बहुत अच्छी हवा आ रही है. और वैसे एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे शेड नहीं है तो थोड़ी सी धूप लग रही है. बट ठीक है, वो लाइट है, माइल्ड, ठीक है.
Exactly.
हाँ, और बहुत औसम जगह है.
We literally had our food there sitting just right there next to the temple. वहाँ पे shadow है and we enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Like peace. There's no city nearby.
Yes.
And it is on a hilltop. The best thing about the place is that it is placed on a hilltop, this temple, and the way the windmills are placed is just amazing to see. It's like mesmerizing. Our time lapse would definitely make it look even better. So let's see the time lapse how it looks. Well, this place is amazing and you won't complain about this, but the thing is there is no shed here, so make sure you get an umbrella as well with you. The place is very peaceful, it's soothing, you don't have to worry about people. There are very less people here, so in amidst this coronavirus situation it's quite safe to come here. It's 180 kilometers roughly from Bangalore, but don't hesitate that such long distance will make any bad thing. So don't hesitate to cover 180 kilometers because this place is worth it. And if you are someone who likes windmills and temple hills and also, this place is perfect for you. You must come here. Make sure you come at a time around like sunset or sunrise, because sunset and sunrise is the recommended time to see this place, because the sunset light and everything will be just next level. I came here at like around lunchtime, so not very great time to come, but still love the place. And it's monsoon time, so it's gonna be even better. Everything is green and looks fantastic. So if you are looking for a soothing place which is peaceful and no one around, you want no one, come here. It's a good place. It's actually a very good place. So that's all for the day. I hope you liked this vlog. If you liked my video, share and subscribe to my channel and like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace. चलते ब्रो, पैक करते हैं. मैं फ़ोटोज़ अपने कुछ नहीं लिया, पैक करने के बाद ले लूँगा 2-3 फ़ोटोज़.
ले लो अभी ले लो.
Yeah, I will take it. First I'll wear boots and all, then I will take photos. चलो.